ink rock quarters. Is that what they're called? Oh my Largo. Yeah, there it is. Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Ah crap. Ah crap. Get your no. Ah crap. Ah, it hurts. Hey, what's this? Oh wait, yeah, map thing. Map data, whatever. Map of thingamabob acquired. I have an idea for these guys based on like my earlier playthrough. What if I? Oh no. Oh no. Get out. Oh, that guy just committed suicide. Oh, sweet. Oh, get over here. Ah, crud. Oh, there's more of them. Get out. Tabby slime, get over here. Bruh. Okay, I'm pissed right now. Get over. Oh, you big fat bastard. There we go. Oh my. Get out. Get out. Bruh. Get out. Get out. Oh, yo, free chicken. Yoink. Hen. That's a new thing. Well, not new. Oh, it's already been 8 minutes? 9 minutes now, jeez. Man, just once the recording cuts out, I'll just be done. I wonder what happens if I put the phosphorus slimes in the caves. Oh, I don't have rock plorts and not rock. Oh well. Let me get like a... Okay. Need more... Oh, I can just sell these, wait. Forgot. About these, not gonna lie. And I hopefully should have enough. Ugh. Alright. Let's be over here for a sec. Stop being traumatized with the chicken. Thank you. Should have enough. Wait. It's 50. Brr. Yeah, more of these guys. You know what they say, gotta collect them all. Pokemon. And there should be a few more tabby slimes over here. I knew there were tablet types here, but maybe they're just not here now. Oh, there they. Wait, no, these are phosphorus. Oh, that's Tabby. Get over here. Oh, is that a box? I'm on it. Okay, good for you. Well, I'm gonna be going the wrong way. Shrum bum beat up bum beat up bum. Okay. Well. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a coop. But actually, I think garden looks better. With a coop or garden? Eeny,